Hi guys, welcome back to the channel CCUK Resin, and I've just made a mould using this crystal. You've got voiceover Andy today, so we've already made one in this new mould which we're going to demould at the end of this video, but I thought it'd be fun to just show you how I did it in another one. So I'm going to use some eye candy colours. This is Sushi Roll, which is a bit of a colour shift colour. And don't forget that Summer of Eye Candy is happening this summer. You can get your kit over at CCUKresin.com right now. So get over there, pre-order it. If you're in the UK, you're going to get UK postage. If you're in the US, then you can just order it directly from eyecandypigments.com. But this is just going to be a quick video. So all I'm doing with a soft brush at the minute is burnishing this homemade crystal mould that I've got with some of that Sushi Roll colour shifting pigment from Eye Candy, which is kind of a pink to green. It's a really interesting combination, this one, for a colour shift. And the key is whenever you use these, the better you burnish it in, the better look you're going to get. So I'm just really taking my time to go around that mould, burnishing it with this soft brush so I'm not scratching anything, but I'm making sure that the powder has gone in every one of these crystals so that hopefully when the light bounces off it, it's going to look like a real crystal. And don't forget, whilst you're here, guys, do me a favour, like and subscribe to the channel if you're liking the content, if you're liking these experiments, if you like my art. And whilst you're here, why not check out CCUKresin.com, where there's a blog on there, there's places where you can book one-to-one coaching, whether that be with resin, whether it be with growing a YouTube channel. It's just a great website, to be fair, for resin artists. So look, I'm going for a slightly different style. I'm not trying to make a fire here. I'm just burnishing that mould to make sure it's fully burnished with this sushi roll. I can actually eat some sushi right now. I love sushi. So here we go. Pretty confident that's burnished. Now, I'm thinking, what colour do I fill it with? Now, most people go with a black, but I wanted to go with something different, just to show you it doesn't always have to be black. So I'm going to be using the fast cure resin from Apex. So if you want any of that, get over to apexresin.co.uk, use my discount code CCUK to get yourself some money off. And I know that this is roughly 6 ounces this mould holds. So I'm going to pour 3 ounces of the resin and 3 ounces of the hardener and then mix it together. And do you know what? Resin doesn't get more straightforward than this. Some beautiful pigments, a mould that you like, some good resin, put the 3 things together, and you should get an amazing piece. And I do say should, because resin is resin, and sometimes it's got a mind of its own, and it doesn't necessarily behave. So just going to mix up this resin, dead straightforward, mix it round 3 or 4 minutes with a stick, until you're confident that it's all been mixed thoroughly. There's no streaks in there. Try not to put too many bubbles in it, but with this particular resin, I don't think it'll matter because it disperses really well. And then what I'm going to do is put some of this blue blood in there, which is quite a dark, beautiful metallic blue, just because I think it'd contrast well with the sushi roll. And these samples were actually sent to me from somebody in the States, so I really, really appreciate them. They got me started on this eye candy journey, and I'm loving these pigments, guys. Absolutely in love with them. And don't forget, if you want to get any directly from Eye Candy, you can use my discount code CCUK to get yourself some money off. But look, this is how straightforward resin art can be. And I do class this as art. You're making crystals in resin. So just giving it a stir, making sure that I'm confident it's thoroughly mixed. And this colour will be in the Summer of Eye Candy pack as well, where you're going to get 20 colours, guys, for that amazing price. And if you're in the UK, you can pre-order them now. If you're in the States, sorry, you've got to wait until I announce the date that we launch. Then you can order them directly. And the whole point behind this was to try and get these eye candy pigments available to those of us in the UK that want them at UK shipping, at UK shipping times. And hopefully it's going to be something that we're going to continue to grow as a community. And in we go with the resin into that mould, dead straightforward. I don't like to just pour it all in on one side because that's how you tend to get air bubbles trapped. So I'm just gently going over the whole piece, and then I'm just going to fill it to the top. Then it should just be a case of letting it cure, And we should be in the operative word, have a beautiful piece to demold at the end. And you get to see my latest mold and see if it's worked with this other real amethyst crystal, which is what I use to make the mold. I'm hoping it has. I did have to make it a bit of a split mold in order to demold it because of the shape, but I'm still hoping it's going to work. So there we go. This is pretty much filled now with that blue blood. So I'm just having a look, scraping any extra out. And I think I slightly undermixed. I think I only mixed 5.5 here, and it should have been 6 ounces, but it'll be okay, I'm sure. And let me know in comments, what's your favourite thing to do in resin? I'm intrigued because I'm starting to plan out the next 12 months of videos, and I want to know what you want to see more of. Is it blooms? Is it crystals? Is it moulds? Is it different mica experiments? Is it experiments? Is it jewellery? Let me know in comments so that I know what content you want, because this channel's all about you as well as me. It's your channel as well as mine. So I can just see a couple of bubbles there, so I'm just torching it off now. And that is pretty much it, guys. Now we need to leave it to cure. Now, the good thing with using the fast cure is this should be cured and demoldable in 3 hours, which is amazing when you compare it to 24 hours. So we're going to let these cure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at Demould, where Normal Andy's going to be back. So here we go, guys, and I've just got back from dropping my girls off, so it's time for demold, and that's the beauty of using this fast cure resin from Apex. So if you want any of that, get over to apexresin.co.uk, use my discount code CCUK to get yourself some money off. Literally 3 hours and we're cured. Now, this is the one that you didn't see me demold last time, which was actually made from this, which the shape was such a pain to demold. What I had to do is turn it into a split mold by just splitting it down the edge just to get it out. So hopefully it will have worked. And I've got a feeling it's going to be an absolute pain to demold this, guys. And I'm hoping we're going to get the shininess on the crystals and then the matte around the rest, which, look, there's the split. So here we go. Who's excited? I know I am, and it is such a pain. I just need to try and demold it, get it round, and then dislodge. It's the shape. It's the shape. It's a pain. But I did manage to demold, so I should be able to demold. Oh, I can hear it. There we go. Nice clean mold-ish. And then obviously, because it's a split mold, I've just got that little bit. So I have got the matte effect. I'm going to clean that up. But there we go. So I've got the matte effect around the side, which I thought I would. But let's see what this Hote UltraShift looks like in crystal. Are you ready? Are you steady? Oh my, look at that. Exactly the same shape. So I'm really happy with that mold, guys. Bit of a pain to work with, but do you know what? It is worth it. Look at that ultra tint, that Hote ultra tint from Eye Candy. And again, don't forget, guys, my discount code is live for eyecandypigments.com, which is CCUK, to get yourself some money off. And that special summer collaboration, A Summer of Eye Candy, is going live, if it's not already by the time this video comes out. Get involved with that. If you're in the UK, get over to CCUKresin.com and you can pre-order now. But look at that, guys. I'm hoping it's worked in this big one as well. So I am going to zoom in on these at the end as well, because I don't think you can see just how stunning these are. Now, this one was just the standard colour shift with that blue blood. And it was just, I was curious as to what it would look like. So it's Demould. Oh, hello. Look at this, guys. So it's got that blueness from the blue blood. But just look at that colour shift, and that's just a standard colour shift on those crystals. I think that is absolutely stunning. Obviously, the ultra tint, I think the ultra shifts, you get slightly more sparkle, but do you know what? Look at this. And this is just one of those ultra shifts. The colour shift, sorry. So there is a difference between the two, but I think the colour shift can be just as gorgeous. I mean, look at that. I'm loving that effect. And I'm going to be playing around with different colour shifts, I think, and different colours on these. But look at that. Is that a thing of beauty? And then my newest mould, which I'm going to be doing again. I mean, look at that. With the UltraShift colours. Stunning, stunning piece. Obviously, I just need to clean up that edge, which is where it was a split mould. But wow, was that worth the effort. Look at that, guys. I might list this. Well, I'll tell you what, if anybody's interested in this piece, let me know. Email me at ccukresin@gmail.com. But that's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I know I've enjoyed making them and playing around with these colours even more. Do me a favour, like and subscribe to the channel. If you can, join membership, get involved. And obviously as well, make sure you check out the website, CCUKresin.com. And I'll see you all on the next one. Wowzers.